guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Blossom and Jasmine, and today is a little bit different. I wanted to take you guys into my home, and I'm going to show you my personal Swarovski collection. I think I should be a bit more transparent with my audience because I think some people I think some people's impression of me is that I'm this girl who blings all this stuff for these people. But the majority of the things that I've ever, blinged out was literally for my own personal collection. I'm what you call an accidental entrepreneur. I promise you. But before we get into, before I show you all of my Swarovski and my personal collection, I just wanted to encourage you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and just to remind you to turn on your notifications and thumb this video up if you like what you see. I have basically taught myself how to bedazzle, but then I also taught myself how to buy the stones. I think that's the most important part when it comes to Swarovski or these really expensive stones. If you know how to buy them, it's really not even all that expensive, or maybe expensive is relative. But for me, it's not even all that expensive. When I started bedazzling, I was only making like $17 and change. So I'm gonna take you into my kitchen because my kitchen is like my office. I don't really cook. I basically, if I'm cooking up something, it's the drip, and the drip is real. Okay, honey. So I'm gonna show you all of my crystals, and it's probably a lot of crystals. For most people, you're probably gonna be like shocked, like, wow, you have a lot of crystals, and I do. But it's probably been like 2.5 years that it took me to buy all of those crystals. There was actually a time in my life when someone basically stole all of my crystals, so I had to buy everything that people want to take from me. But God always gives you more. There's always more. That's like my favorite saying. There is always more. I never worry about what leaves because God will multiply. So come with me into my kitchen and I'm going to show you my personal Swarovski collection. All right, let's go, guys. Yay! If you're drinking with me, let's take a sip. Let's go. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. So this is my current Swarovski collection. It's not a whole lot, but I think it's a lot for a personal collection. I like to currently store my crystals in what's called a storage tower, and I have different size storage towers where I like to store my crystals. I actually have to move all of those crystals out of the packages and add them to these storage towers. This is the medium size storage tower. Well, I guess it's small, and then I have medium sizes. This is a large size. And that's all the color crystal, and that is a Swarovski stone. I organize my stones by size and color, so that's how you'll basically see them. So that's a crystal stone. That's Crystal AB by Swarovski, and that's also in a storage tower, of course. So those are my pinks. Those are more pinks. And these are just random stones that have to be moved into smaller storage units. So next I'm going to show you some of my nail art crystals that I just ordered from Rhinestones Unlimited. I ordered some Crystal Pixie. I think the color is called Love Passion. And this is a Swarovski pixie dust that you can use on your nails. So next time I get my nails done, I'll be using that. This is a gift that I received from Harmon's. I basically use most of these stones, so it's kind of empty, but this is a hot fix transfer that I purchased from Harmon. Of course, it's Swarovski, and it says love you. And then these are just some of my Swarovski stones that I bunched them together either by size or by color, and I mixed them all in. Some of my packages are open, some of them aren't open. I'm not ready to use them yet, but this is just stuff that I use for myself. Like I told you, this is not for anyone else. This is all for me. So that stone that I'm showing you right now is actually older than me, and I'm 29. These are how the Preciosa packages come. And then these are just open packages that I have leftover stones that I kind of have to move into storage, but just haven't done yet. So I hope you guys get a good feel on what it's like to have like a pretty nice size collection of Swarovski stones. These are my mixed stones. I'm pretty clumsy and sometimes I drop some of my crystals, so they go in there. And then these are just one grosses, which are 144 stones. I like to buy my crystals from a wholesaler because it's cheaper and you get more when you buy it from a wholesaler versus buying it from Michaels. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like seeing a collection. I hope it inspires you to have a fabulous collection. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Later, Blossoming Jasmine.